What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're doing a little bit on the OBS, a little single cab. We got shock extenders for the rear. Since I lowered that truck about 9 inches, I think it's 8 or 9 inches with the drop was, the shock's about them out. So let me flip the camera and show you. These are the shock extenders. Here's the kit. I took one when I took them out of the box. Ready? Apparently these bolt in through here. It goes into the stock shock mount on the diff, and then you have one this side, for that side, this side, that side. 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna try and put those in today. See if she'll ride a little bit happier. Let's try it. So as you can see, I haven't done the driver's side yet. So it looks like factory. That's the extension on it. I'd say about 2 inches lower to straighten out the shock. Yeah, this gas tank's in the way, but whatever, you get the idea. So, looks a little bit better. Gets a little bit more travel out of it. So hopefully the truck isn't bouncing around so much. Or bottoming out, better said. So, let's do the driver's side. Back on the floor. As you can see, instead of the 1 inch of travel I had, I got about 3 now. So, a little bit better. Oh, get him in there. So, not bad. Do have a little bit more travel with it at least, so hopefully it won't bottom out anymore. Anyway, from the C-notch to the diff, it's only about 1.5 inches. So, you can see the setup I got blocks. So it's a flip kit, 2-inch lowering block, and in the back a 2-inch shackle. That's what I have in this. The front is what's the front? 3-inch beams and 2-inch lowering springs. That's what's in the front. That's what's in the front of this guy. So, not bad. I would call it a success. Oh. You can see both shock extenders. Not bad. Successful. Alright guys, so that was it. Pretty simple install. Pretty much 4 bolts on each side. Nothing too crazy. I'll drive it later. It's raining. Started raining again, so Miami weather. Horrible. So yeah, it was just a quick in between the dually videos. You know, I know I promised I'd do a video walking around of each truck. Talk about current plans, future plans. I have not done that yet. I haven't had time to do that yet. Trying to get the dually ready for Slam Fest. So Slam Fest is coming up quick. October, second weekend in October 8th and 9th in Tampa, Florida. Planning taking all 3. So that's the plan so far. Trying to get the dually ready. That's why there's so much content on the dually right now. So I'm trying to get that ready. So before I do videos like walking around the trucks and whatnot. I want to get the duty done. So maybe at Slamfest I'll do the videos walking around if I have time. Maybe, I don't know. Let me see how that works out. But yeah, so like always, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you like, what you didn't like, and what you want to see more of. Until next time, we'll meet in the garage.